This video was an ongoing project during the 2019-20 school year. Because of coronavirus, the project came to an abrupt halt and ended on March 12, 2020. Enjoy the final abbreviated version.
What is the strongest correlation?
Go blue!
Is the 250th term. One cycle is also called the period.
Flip-flop, flip-flop.
What you need to use is linear regression, or lin-reg. Zen. If you bring M&Ms, you have to share some for the class. Christmas pajama day is to take these two lines, graph them here, and find where they intersect. Happy New Year 2020!
Happy New Year!
65,432 is 4 minus 1.
I don't know. 5.
Your grade does not go down by 10%. Sir,
What's your bow tie made of?
wouldn't you like to know? Would. Pi over 2 would be straight up. 2 pi over 2 is really 1 pi. So we're going to take the negative 10. And remember, I think you know what's coming next. Please excuse Davis to class. Thanks, Orkish. Here. Oh no. To here. Battle of wits. It's the battle of wits. See where the two overlapping sections are of the colors, right? That's what we're looking at today. Okay, so just fold over, brochure style. Brochure style. 39 apple. 40 boy. I'm so sorry the intercession is over. I'm going to give you the domains of all 6 trig functions. Great Lakes, water on the brink. Great Lakes. Video by the YouTuber by the name of Vi Hart. 3.1415926535897932338. What is an acorn's favorite subject? Geometry. Get it? It's like geometry, but